Uproar is brewing in the volatile, artisanal, and small-scale mining sector after President Emmerson Mnangagwa's special presidential investment advisor, Paul Tungwarara, was granted exclusive rights through his firm, Prevail Group of Companies, for river ecosystem rehabilitation at Murodzi River, National and Central Province. In making circumstances, Sarabina Marshall Hobrani wants Uproar over Tungwarara mining deal. But was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mnamubran Wamchinzi, a representatives of artisanal miners told the news hoax that the new Tungwarara deal smacks of corruption, as there was no competitive bidding process, transparency and accountability. Before he got the lucrative state contract, the small-scale mining sector produces 60% of the local gold, some of it extracted through alluvial riverbed mining activities. Government is now banned alluvial riverbed mining, but gave Tungwarara a prototype exclusive contract to rehabilitate the river and the water ecosystems, starting with the Murodzi River in the gold-rich Mazowe district of National and Central Province, flowing through mining areas. The artisanal mining boss said in quotes, "There is a serious problem with this government directive and the contract given to Tungwarara. First, there was no tendering or competitive bidding. He was just arbitrarily given because he is the president's right-hand man. Secondly, there was no transparency in the process. It was murky and thus smacks of cronyism. Third, because of the murky circumstances under which the deal was done, there won't be any accountability, fatal ground for looting. How do we know Tungwarara will just concentrate on rehabilitation, not alluvial riverbed gold mining? It is pretty obvious to us. He will mine gold and do so undisturbed, alone, and in secrecy. For these solid reasons and many others, it is a corrupt deal. It must be stopped." Cabinet granted Tungwarara some exclusive rights for river rehabilitation through his firm, Prevail Group of Companies. It was an exception, tailored for him only. Ordinary and influential people across the country are involved in artisanal and small-scale alluvial riverbed mining activities. The government ban and subsequent Tungwarara deal have angered many, including some of the state security forces, who view this as a convenient cover for rampant greed and corrupt self-enrichment by the politically connected. Tungwarara's Prevail Group was awarded the sole prototype mandate for riverbed rehabilitation at Murodzi River at a time when regulation of alluvial mining has been decentralized provinces, raising alarm across the industry. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi aiwa pomuka chaos, mamwe security forces haasi kufara nezvoitiwa, Tungwarara achipiwa kuti ndiye upiwa only the prototype to mine alluvial and riverbed mining. Zvoita kuti vanhu muZANU-PF vave negodo, vanhu vave neshanje. Hazvipere mushi hamene kushapira sei. Ina comment section medu nzafungire emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.